Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a new sink with Elkay, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. You'll need a new Elkay sink, a basin wrench, adjustable pliers, a level, plumber's putty, a faucet, and all associated plumbing fixtures. Start by turning off the water supply to your kitchen or bathroom. Next, disconnect the existing plumbing by loosening the nuts connecting the faucet, drain, and supply lines. Carefully remove the old sink from the countertop. Clean the area thoroughly to ensure a good seal for the new sink. Unbox your new Elkay sink and inspect it for any damages. Refer to the installation instructions included with your Elkay sink to familiarize yourself with the setup process. Apply a bead of plumber's putty around the drain hole of your new sink. Place the drain assembly into the sink, ensuring it sits snugly. From underneath the sink, secure the drain assembly using the provided hardware. Next, set the new Elkay sink into the countertop cutout. Use a level to ensure the sink is perfectly aligned. Adjust the positioning by adding shims where necessary. Once aligned, secure the sink to the countertop using clips or brackets according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Reconnect the water supply lines to the new faucet. Attach the faucet to the sink, following the specific instructions for your model. Turn on the water supply slowly to check for leaks. If any leaks are present, tighten the connections as needed. Finally, test the sink's functionality by running water and checking the drain. Your new Elkay sink is now installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.